All right, open house today. 611 Nuevo Leon Lane, the Villages, Florida. This is a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom courtyard villa. Let's go ahead and head on inside. That's your. All right. So the floors, pretty much everything inside here has been renovated. The brand new floors. These are called a Lake Shore pecan. It's that color. The roof was put on brand new in 2017. And HVAC system was put in 2018, and solar panels were put on in 2019. So front door here, you have closet space right as you walk in, which is nice. A lot of places, for whatever reason, don't have that anymore. Builders don't put in there. Coat closet. You got a gallery kitchen, which leads out to the garage and a pantry within the kitchen. Window over the sink that looks to the side of the house. This property is xeriscape, so there is no grass, low maintenance. Combined dining and living area, which lead out to the patio and the 2 bedrooms. There's also a linen closet here in the hallway, next to the guest bathroom, main bathroom in the house. Which is adjacent to the guest bedroom. See here. Sliding closet, good size closet with sliding closet doors. Taking us back out to the living area and into the master. It's a good size master, fit furniture as well as a king size bed. There is an ensuite bathroom, and large walk-in closet here in the master. It's a standing shower, single sink vanity. The master bedroom has a sliding glass door that leads out to the patio. We'll come back out this way, which takes us out onto the patio, which is enclosed, and it has its own air conditioning system out here, as well as a fan. The jacuzzi outside as well. And as you can see, the whole backyard is xeriscaped. You do not have to worry about taking care of grass. Nice jacuzzi. With the nice thing about these villas, they all have these privacy walls in the back of them. This lovely property is currently priced at $222,500. Built in '96, as you can see, with a lot of current updates and renovations to the house. It is great buy. We're currently not too far away from Spanish Springs, so we're right close to Spanish Springs and Sumter Landing. Step back here, kind of give another bigger look of property. If you have any questions about this property or any others, be sure to contact me. 352-403-3730.